The letters ER, IR, UR, and OR can make the sounds you hear in the middle of term, bird, curl, and worm. Girl, her, turns, shirt, dirt, worked, verb, word, hurt, third, first, nurse. Did that burst of thunder wake Herb? Herb woke up first and turned over. Genre, fantasy. Essential question, what can you see in the sky? Read about how a bird named Fern learns about clouds. A bird named Fern. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. "What is that big white boat doing in the sky?" she asked herself. "I want to find out." "It would be great to ride on that big white boat," Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest. So she leaped on the bed, but she fell right through it. "I see another bed," said Fern. "I will try to land on that one." But the same thing happened again. "I'd better go home," cried Fern. "Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this." So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. "Where were you?" asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. "First we will dry you off," said Mom. "Then we will teach you about clouds," added Dad. And that is what they did. Make connections. What did the clouds look like to Fern? Cause and effect. A cause is what makes something happen in a story. An effect is the event that happens. To figure out cause and effect, ask yourself, what happened? Why did it happen? Find the text evidence.